I'm Mithila and you're watching Get Candid with Carmesi. Menstrual cups are such a mystery, How to get it in, how to pull it out, how to clean it, how to fold it, how to not freak out every time you think of wearing one. Don't worry, we'll help you. We've got a lot of gyan on all things cup. So let's get started.
Let's learn about how to use a menstrual cup. A menstrual cup is a small, flexible cup made of silicone or latex rubber and is designed to be inserted into the vagina during periods. What differentiates it from a pad or tampon is that instead of absorbing the period blood, the menstrual cup collects it, which you can throw after use. Here are some easy steps to help you wear the cup. Clean the cup by sterilizing it in boiling water for 5 to 7 minutes. You can also use the Carmesi Menstrual Cup Sterilizer to sterilize your cup easily. Once your cup is ready, fold it like this with your thumb and forefinger. Find a comfortable position to insert the cup. This may vary from woman to woman. You can either sit on your toilet seat or remain in a squatted position. Take a deep breath and relax. Now insert the folded cup in your vagina. Once inside, gently rotate the cup while holding the stem and wait until it springs back to its original form to create an airtight seal. How do you know if you're wearing it right? You won't feel it at all. To remove the cup, go back to your sitting or squatting position. Hold on to the base of the cup and press and rotate gently to release the vacuum. Once the suction is released, the cup can be easily pulled out. Empty the cup and wash it properly. Use the Carmesi Menstrual Cup Wash to keep it squeaky clean and make it completely fresh, odorless and germ-free before inserting it back again. So this is how you use a cup. It'll take some time for you to get the hang of it, but once you do, there's no going back.
So guys, we hope this video helped you. Share it with your friends and tell us in the comments below what more would you like to know about periods, bodies and all things women. Click the subscribe button, don't forget, and get ready to get candid.